Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about the myths about competing against the top affiliates, because this is one of the major obstacle that comes with everybody who wants to get started with affiliate marketing, or who is already in the beginning or somewhere who is not seeing results in their affiliate journey. So I'm gonna cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. And coming back to today's topic, many people when they come online, they want to promote certain products, they pick their niche, they pick their product. When they come and start promoting it, they always see there are people who are already successful with that product. Those are top affiliates who are already rocking the business with this product, and that kinds of compresses your confidence level. And it happens with most of them. I'm not saying it happens with everybody, but most of them face this problem, and they go in a mode it's too difficult to compete with them. So even if you jump from a course to course or a product to product, you're always going to find top affiliates for that particular product. So you got two options here. One is just think it's not possible from you, you can't compete with them, and you're gonna give up. And number point two is you gotta come up to create your own way where you can compete with them. You can create your own creativity and go for it. So I highly recommend you go for second, because you don't want to give up on everything, because no matter which product whichever niche you select, there is always competition, and competition is very healthy. So if there is competition, there is a demand in the market, so you can make a lot of money in that industry or niche. So this is second point. So you got to come and analyze. So for example, if you sign up to any program and you see there are some people who are already doing great business with that product, and you're not able to see the results as they are seeing, because you also got the same training, you also got the same resources. You just got to sit and analyze yourself, where I'm lacking. Do I need to watch more training? It all comes down to one factor, that is you both have got the same amount of training, same resources, but the degree at which you implement those learnings, that is where it makes that difference. So if there are A, B, two persons, both have got the same training, both are promoting the same training, both are at the same level, but B is seeing much results, A is not able to see results, he's going to come and analyze, do I need to watch more trainings? Do I need to implement this strategy which suits my strength? So you got to come up with a list that can actually that's called reassessment on yourself. You can sit down and you can think what is missing, and you can work it out, and you can compete with them. So if you think B is too strong in order to compete, you got to come up with your own creativity. It could be you can make a meme. There is one guy who literally made a marketing product sell based on a meme. So he added that creativity in his ad, he added that meme, and he could see a lot of conversions with that. So it's just an example. So you need to come up with your own creativity. Definitely you have a lot of options in order to come out of this. And also you got to remember one thing: the person who is already at the top of your program, or he also wasn't a super affiliate on day one. He also has to start from zero, and he also came up with his own creativity and reached at that point of time. At that point, and you can't compare. Right now you're at zero, right now he's at there. Right now you can't compare, because trust me, he's also was there at a zero level, and you got to come up with your own style, own creativity. Definitely you will reach there. So many people will say YouTube is saturated, Instagram is saturated, everything is saturated, they tell, but it's not the case. It's just that the marketing element which you bring up to target new audience, or your creativity, how you come out of it to compete with others. So definitely it may not be sound simple in the beginning. You don't have to be I can't compete with that person. Definitely you got to remember this one line: they also started somewhere with zero, always. So once you have that line, trust me, it will create less resistance in you while creating your content or working on your business. So you don't have to think about your competition much, and you start focusing on the real actions that you plan to take on. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you need any help with your online business, be sure to check the first link in the description. And if you want to connect with me, I'll leave my email address in the description. You can email me, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.